Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel.
Hi friends, we are really happy to have you with us today.
If you are learning English and you want to speak better, this video is especially for you.
Yes, many beginners watch English videos every day.
They understand most of the words.
They can follow conversations.
But when they want to speak English,
They feel nervous.
they feel confused.
They think, my English is not good.
They think, what if I make a mistake?
And because of this fear, they stop speaking.
But friends, this is very normal.
Every English learner feels this way at the beginning.
The good news is, speaking English is not as hard as you think.
You don't need difficult words.
You don't need long sentences.
You don't need perfect grammar.
You only need simple English.
English that you use in your daily life.
In this video, we are going to teach you how to talk about your day.
In a very easy way.
We will use short and clear sentences.
Sentences that you can remember easily.
Sentences that you can speak without fear.
We will talk about 3 important parts of the day.
First, the afternoon,
Then the evening.
and finally, the night.
Everyone has these parts in their day.
So everyone can talk about them.
You can talk about your day at home.
You can talk about your day with friends.
You can even talk about your day to yourself.
This is one of the best ways to practice English.
Don't worry if you speak slowly.
Don't worry if you make mistakes.
Mistakes are part of learning.
The important thing is to start speaking.
Even 1 sentence a day is enough.
With daily practice, your confidence will grow.
You will start enjoying English.
So relax yourself.
Sit comfortably
Listen carefully.
and try to repeat after us.
Let's learn English together.
And let's start talking about your day in English.
Now, let's begin with the afternoon. Let's start with the afternoon.
The afternoon usually starts after lunch.
So first, you can talk about lunch.
You can say, I have lunch at 1 p.m.
Or, I eat lunch at home.
Some people eat lunch outside.
They can say, I eat lunch at work.
Or, I eat lunch with my friends.
After lunch, people do different things.
Some people go back to work.
So they can say, I work in the afternoon.
Students can say, I study in the afternoon.
Or, I attend classes in the afternoon.
Some people feel tired after lunch.
That is very common.
They can say, I rest after lunch.
Or, I take a short rest.
Some people like tea or coffee.
You can say, I drink tea in the afternoon.
Or, I have coffee in the afternoon.
These are very easy sentences.
You don't need to explain everything.
2 or 3 sentences are enough. Now let's talk about the evening.
Evening is a relaxing time for most people.
People usually come back home in the evening.
You can say, I come back home in the evening.
Or, I reach home around 6 p.m.
After coming home, people like to relax.
You can say, I change my clothes.
Or, I take some rest.
Many people like to drink tea.
You can say, I drink tea in the evening.
Some people go outside.
They can say, I go for a walk.
Others like to spend time with family.
You can say, I talk with my family.
Or, I spend time with my children.
Some people watch TV.
They can say, I watch TV in the evening.
Evening sentences are very natural.
You can use them every day. Evening is also free time for many people.
Yes, and hobbies are easy to talk about.
You can say, I watch TV.
Or I watch movies.
Some people use their phone.
They can say, I use my mobile phone.
Some people like music.
You can say, I listen to music.
Others like reading.
They can say, I read books.
Some people play games.
You can say, I play games.
Talking about hobbies is very useful.
It helps you connect with people.
Now let's talk about nighttime.
Night is the last part of the day.
It is the time when people slow down and relax.
Yes, after a busy day, night feels peaceful.
You can start by talking about dinner.
For example, you can say, I have dinner at night.
Or you can say, I have dinner at 8 p.m.
Some people eat dinner with their family.
So they can say, I have dinner with my family.
Others eat dinner alone.
They can say, I have dinner at home.
After dinner, people like to relax.
You can say, I watch TV at night.
Or, I watch my favorite show.
Many people use their mobile phones.
So they can say, I watch videos on my phone.
Some people like quiet time.
They can say, I sit quietly.
Some people talk with family members.
You can say, I talk with my family.
Or I spend time with my family.
Then it is time to sleep.
You can say, I go to bed.
Or, I go to bed at 10 p.m.
Some people sleep late.
They can say, I go to bed late.
All these sentences are very common.
You can use them every night.
Lena, many beginners ask one question.
Yes. They ask, How can I practice English every day?
The answer is very simple.
Talk about your own day.
You don't need a partner.
You can practice alone.
You can speak in front of a mirror.
This helps you feel confident.
You can also talk to yourself.
For example, say, "Now I am having lunch."
Or now I am drinking tea.
You can also say, "Now I am watching TV."
This type of practice is very powerful.
It helps your brain think in English.
Slowly, your fluency will improve. Many beginners worry a lot about mistakes.
Yes, they feel scared of speaking.
They think, what if my grammar is wrong?
But mistakes are part of learning.
Every learner makes mistakes.
Even fluent speakers make mistakes.
You don't need perfect grammar to speak.
You just need to express your idea.
Simple English is good English.
Clear English is better than perfect English.
Confidence comes with practice.
The more you speak, the better you feel.
So friends, talking about your day in English is easy.
You can talk about small things.
What you do in the afternoon.
What you do in the evening.
And what you do at night.
Use simple sentences.
Speak slowly and clearly.
Practice every day.
Even 5 minutes is enough.
Little practice every day makes a big difference.
Slowly you will feel confident.
You will start enjoying English.
Thank you so much for watching our video.
We hope this lesson helps you.
Keep learning. See you in the next lesson.